Hello, hello everybody! Kumusta kayong lahat? Good evening! So, gabi na dito sa Pilipinas. How about sa iba dyan? Oo, ang oras natin, time check muna tayo, it's 7:59 in the evening at isang oras na lang at mag-aalas 8 na ng gabi. And I'm still here in our office. I'm a bit tired pero gusto ko lang talagang gawin tong reaction video kasi nga 'di ba dumadami na there are already so many rising P-pop group in the Philippines. Yes, oh my G, what is happening? Sometimes it really gives me a question rather na wow, bakit padami na ng padami yung P-pop ngayon na parang lumalaban na sa K-pop pa. O aminin natin, 'di ba? Kaya eto ako ngayon, I am going to make a reaction video of this another of course, P-pop group under Viva Communications or yes, tama, Viva Communications ba? Yeah, Viva Communications. Oh my gosh, hindi ako sure. Under Viva. Oh, Viva lang, walang communication. Under Viva. And this group is called Raya. Yes, and we are going to react on their music video entitled Get Me. I think, ano to siya, parang cover siya. But this time, kinanta siya ng, ilang grupo ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members of the group. Oh, yan, one group lang ha, hindi yung mga grupo. One group lang. 8 members of this group called Raya. Get Me. I know everyone is very familiar with this, but of course, here they applied something like a different genre, like that can be fit with a girl group. You know, like individuals with different talents who are in one group, in this group called Raya, diba? So, tama na. Without further ado, let's get it on. Ang cute naman ito. Okay, what I observed here is that they're all very fresh. I love the music video, especially on this part. It's very fresh. Oh, so pretty. She's morena and the other one is parang tisay-tisay, ganon. I love the voice. Ganda ng boses. Wow. Wait. Okay, one thing that I observed first as I watched this music video is that they have this unique features. Like, iba-iba yung beauty nila. May morena, may tisay, mukhang tisay na na mukhang chinita. Meron naman parang, alam mo yun, iba yung feature. And the other one also, parang mukhang Pilipina talaga. 'Di ba usually nakikita natin sa K-pop, 'di ba? Yung standard ng girl group nila or kahit boy group dapat maputi, maganda, parang halos lahat same ng face same ng feature. Ito, they are so unique, they're very kumbaga may nakikita kang uniqueness sa group na to. Like kakaiba sila, like yes, one thing that I observe is their feature, face feature, yung complexion nila, ng skin complexion nila. It's very Pinay na Pinay. O diba? Kakaiba ang charm nila. I wanna see the rest. Lonely, so baby. Kasi naman familiar ng song, diba? I think MYMP bang kumanta or si Juris, I'm not sure. Pero it's a good choice that they actually use this song, they cover this song for a girl group. It's a good choice. Yes, like this one, another different feature din. Unique na mga beauty nila. Yes. Like sa kanya talaga, parang nahuhook talaga ako sa beauty niya. Alam mo yung parang Pinay na Pinay talaga, no? Parang may pagka-Bisaya siya, oh. Not to discriminate because I'm also a Bisaya and I know ko talaga and I know talaga kung ano yung future ng isang Bisaya. I'm not sure pero I can really sense it. And she's pretty, she's unique, she looks unique. O, diba? They have this unique features talaga. I mean, they are beautiful in their own ways talaga. And with their choreography, it's so light, it's just so good. Like, hindi siya cringe. Tamang-tama lang. I like it. It's very cute. Wait lang kasi medyo palobot na tayo. Ano ba yan? Nakakahiya naman sa mga viewers. Ayan, wait lang Ayan, ano lang natin yung ating... Ayan. Go. Narong timing tayo. O, diba? So cute! Ang cute lang talaga ng dance moves nila. Wow, ito naman parang may pagka-westerner ang beauty, no? Yes. When it comes to vocal, parang feeling ko yung babae na yun, yung may mataas na boses sa kanila. So cute! Come and get me! So cute! Nakikita na ako sa dance moves nila, sa choreography nila. Yes! Get Me by Raya! Ayan, thank you so much! Okay, so with their music video, Get Me by Raya, all I can say is nasisiyahan ako. Nasisiyahan na may pagka-proud. Kasi parang so when it comes to Filipino girl group or boy group, kung ano sa tingin ng iba na like, this is for the members based on my observation, kung ano yung mga sa tingin ng iba, okay, mag-a-assume na ako. Mag-a-assume na ako sa kung ano yung na sa tingin ng iba, like pangit, ganyan, ayaw nila ng ganyang klaseng muka, ng kulay, ganyan. Dito sa music video ng Raya, parang naipakita din doon yung yung acceptance na walang judgment, na hindi mo maiisip na, alam mo yun, na ka-judge yung mga members. Kasi pag titingnan mo sila, parang nasisiyahan ka, parang they're just so unique, parang mas nalalo mo silang na-appreciate. I think P-pop groups is something like an opportunity, an open door for everyone who can really express and be proud of themselves, kung ano man sila, saan man sila nanggaling, at kung ano man yung itsura nila. And I'm just so happy to see that kind of example here sa group na to, which is the Raya, as I review or react to their music video entitled Get Me. So nakyutan lang ako with the entire choreography, like the scenes is just so cute. Hindi ako na-feel ng cringe kasi parang napapakanta ka din, napapa-enjoy ka din sa music video nila. So yun, all in all, the rate that I can give is 10/10! Yay! Sobra! I'm looking forward for this group to show more of their music, sana more albums. Of course, under Viva yan sila, di ba? So, alam ko, Viva could really work for it. So, ayan, knowing that Viva has already produced so many famous artists um, from before and also in this era. So, yun. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman ako. So, maraming salamat. That's all for today. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just search Hi Van Vlogs. Okay? So, maraming salamat. I'm looking forward for positive comments. Just bear with me, guys, if may mga nasabi man akong something na, na basta annoying or something. Kasi, sometimes kasi pag nagsasalita ako, parang hindi ko na nababantayan basta nagsasalita lang ako ng salita. But yes, in this music video review, I'm just so happy kahit napagod tayo from work. But yeah, I was still able to pull off myself to make a reaction video for this group, for more promotion for them. Ayan, kahit hindi tayo inutusan. Diba? So yun, maraming salamat. It's time for me to go. Thank you so much, everyone. Please, once again, do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just search Hyvan Vlogs. Ayan, maraming salamat and see ya on my next music video reaction. Bye!